I am Rafiqul Islam, Assistant Teacher, Kolabari High School, Kalyan. How are my students? I think you all are in good health and are staying at home. In our last class, we discussed about degree and its kinds and the use of different form of adjectives. Today we will discuss about the changing sentence using different form of degree. Before starting my class, I want to discuss something about topics. Dear learner, তোমাদের অধিকতর বোঝানোর সাথে আমি তিনটে ধাপে ভাগ করেছি। দেখো, it is a stick, maybe it is 3 feet long. যদি আমি মনে করি এই লাঠিটা আমার প্রয়োজন সে বড় হয়ে গেছে, তখন আমি এটা হয় ভেঙে নতুবা কেটে এটা ছোট করে নিতে পারি, যেমনটি আমার প্রয়োজন। কিন্তু যদি আমি মনে করি এই লাঠিটা ছোট হয়ে গেছে, তখন কিন্তু আমি এটা দুই কোণা টাইনে এটা বড় করতে পারবো না, যদি না অন্য কিছুর সঙ্গে এটা জোড়া লাগাই। তেমনি গুরুত্বের দিক দিয়ে, according to the importance, superlative degree is the most important, comparative degree is more important, positive is important. That means superlative degree is the biggest, comparative degree is bigger, and positive degree is small. So, as the superlative degree is the biggest, then we can size it into comparative or positive degree. Similarly, we can make comparative degree into positive degree, form of adjective. But as positive form of adjective is the smallest, so we cannot make it comparative or superlative, because we cannot make anything bigger from the small size. তাই তোমাদের বোঝার সাথে আমি স্টেপ 1 ব্যবহার করেছি। স্টেপ 1 এ আমরা biggest form of adjective is superlative, and superlative has two ways to express in a practical life. In superlative 1, we can only express the meaning where one is the best, one is সবচেয়ে সেরা, তার সমতুল্য আর কেউ নেই, সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা সুপারলেটিভ 1টা ব্যবহার করি। সুপারলেটিভ 1 এর now I am writing the structure of this way of expressing superlative 1. Subject plus verb plus the plus adjective 1, adjective 3 plus object plus in oblique, in this oblique of all plus area. Already we have discussed in this 3 option and area in our last class. By using this structure, I am writing a sentence. He is the tallest boy in this school. Dear learner, write this structure and sentence. This structure already we have learned in our last class. Now we will sense this sentence into comparative form of adjective, but their meaning will not be sensed. Now I am writing the structure of comparative form of adjective that will not make any sense of meaning. Subject plus verb plus adjective to plus then plus any other plus object plus in oblique in this oblique of all plus area. Now we can change this sentence into comparative degree by using this structure. Now we'll try this. Subject he. Verb is adjective to taller than any other boy in this school. Now set this structure. Subject he, verb is, adjective to taller, than, any other, object boy, in this area school. Now I think that you can understand this structure, and now you can make or you can change any sentence of superlative degree into comparative degree without changing meaning. Now write down this structure and sentence. I think already you have finished writing. Now we will go another form of degree, that is positive. We will change define form of degree, but their meaning will not be changed. Positive. Structure no other plus object plus in oblique in this oblique of all plus area plus verb plus as plus adjective on plus as plus subject. Now we can sense superlative degree or comparative degree into positive degree by using this structure. Now we will try to change this superlative form of adjective into positive by using this structure. Listen to me. He subject sorry no other boy in this school is as tall as he. Now check it. No other object boy in this area school verb is as adjective on tall as subject he. Dear learner, I think you have already understood this structure and sentence. Now write down this. We can sense this three form of adjective one to another, but we cannot go another steps. If we want to change this superlative form into comparative or positive, only we can use the structure which is in the step 1, but we cannot go to step 2 or 3. This is very important. If you go to another steps, then your sentence will be wrong. Now write down it. Because of corona epidemics, you are staying at home and try to go on your study regularly and keep yourself away from drug. Thank you all for today. We will meet again in our next class.